Hello and welcome to Nat Fashion Hub, the best fashion channel in the world. So today we're going to be learning how to cut a school uniform top. Alright. Now these are the measurements we're going to be using. We're going to be using a shoulder measurement of 16 inches, a chest measurement of 38. The length of the uniform is 26. Alright. So without wasting time, let's start. Okay. So simply we are going to fold this fabric into two. Now you divide your chest by 4. 38 by 4 will give you what? 9.5. We'll add 1.5 inch allowance to it. That becomes 10.5. So we are folding this fabric by what? 10.5. Alright? 10.5. So the next thing we'll do is to come down here by what? By 3 inches to slant your shoulder. You understand why we slant shoulder? Okay, it's not a new thing. Alright? Hope you can see this chalk clearly. Now at the midpoint here, we'll take the length of the shirt, which is 26. Okay, the length of our shirt is what? Is 26. Like I said, I believe you can see this chalk clearly. So this is the front block. If you notice, I didn't give him an allowance when I was taking the length of this shirt. I'll tell you why I didn't give him an allowance later. So we're going to be removing the front block first. If you notice, I did not also give button allowance here. Just follow me. This is a front block. Okay, now we can go ahead and get the what? The back here. So for us to get our back piece, we'll bring in the front piece here and still slant it in a bit. Okay, still slant it in a bit, just like the front. This is the size. All right, so we'll now push the front down a bit, giving a difference of 3.5 inches right here. 3.5 inches to 4 inches is fine. 3.5 inches is okay. Then we'll curve in the back piece to overlap the front piece by 1/2 inch. Then we'll iron it. All right. So at this point, the next thing for us to do is to apply our measurement. And if you should check the length of this shirt now, you are having 26, 27.5. Meanwhile, your length is 26. So this has added your what? Hemming allowance. So is to apply our measurements now so as to cut this shirt. We say shoulder is 16. Shoulder is 16. So 16, which is 8 plus 1/2 inch, that becomes 8.5. 8.5 right there. Now to get our arm size, we'll divide the shoulder by 2. So divide 16 by 2, you have 8 minus 1 inch from it, that becomes 7. If you use the whole 8 to be too big, all right, the next thing is to, so this now becomes also our chest line. So it's to cover our arm now. So let's, from here to here, we're having 8. So extend the 8 down here, all right, and mark it with a straight line. Locate the midpoint, come in by what? Half, all right. Now the chest, we say the chest is 38 by 4, that is 9.5, plus 1 inch seam allowance, that becomes 10.5 right there, of course. So to curve this arm, you curve it like this to come and cross. Hope you can see this, though this is a check, but you can see it, right? You curve it to come and enter this ½ inch here, and then come this way. I don't want to use plain material so that you see as I'm doing on the check very well. All right. The next thing now is to get your neck. This neck is neck of 14, so we can use 3.5 for the depth. All right, and use about 2 inches, 1¾ for the wideness. All right. So you now have this to cut this out. You are cutting only the front piece, so don't cut together with the back piece, please, when you're cutting the neck here, right? Then we'll cut this in this way. Then we'll come back and deepen just the front piece alone, just by ½ inch in. All right. Next thing is to cut this downwards. And guys, we are done drafting this shirt. All right. All right. So you see, let me show you something. I told you that I told you that I did not give button allowance. All right, is because these are the kind of uniforms that don't have button allowance. Okay, the button allowance is not all the way down. The placket just stops halfway at the chest area here, then it has a collar. All right, so just has a placket that starts from here to here, then there is a collar attached to it. I don't know if you have seen students wear those kind of uniforms around, where it doesn't button all the way down, it just buttons halfway. All right, then there is a collar. So that's the kind of school uniform shirt I'm cutting right here. If you enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to like, to share, and to subscribe. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to like and to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to share my video. You can drop your questions in the comment section if you have any, and I'll be really glad to answer them. All right, thanks for watching. Welcome to my channel, the best fashion channel you can ever think of.